Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cassandra, and I know it's been a little while since I have made a video. Honestly, it's been the summer and I have been extremely unmotivated. I live in Arizona again, and so it has been like 110 roughly, almost every day. Right now it is, let's see, 104, but it is overcast, so it's still very, very like humid. But anyway, I was really craving to make a video. I have a couple products here that I just picked up and wanted to basically try out and kind of show you because I've never tried them before, and they're fairly easy to get. So, I mean, I'm sure lots of you out there have tried these before. I'm just not one of them, at least until now. The first thing I really want to unbox, and it's been, I think, like a month or so since I got these, and so obviously I've been incredibly anxious. Oh, by the way, I look so scraggly today. Well, I really wanted to make a video for you guys. I didn't have time to do my makeup, so this is what you're getting. Plus, one of the products that I want to try out today, well, I don't need makeup to try it out, you know what I mean? I need a fresh, bare face. So, that would be fun. Okay, the first one, Moda Mythical, like trying to be cute, you know what I mean? It's these really cute brushes. Alright, so these are adorable. We know they're adorable. I'm sure lots of you out there have picked these up. I got these at my local Walmart. They have a really small section, honestly, for like makeup and stuff. I was really surprised to find something so cute. But I did, at last. So, let's open these bad boys up. I'm so excited to try these out. Obviously, I probably won't be trying these ones out on camera because I don't want to put makeup on. I don't feel like it today. And plus, my skin needs a break. Hormonal season, so honestly, like, I don't want to wear makeup. Wearing makeup is like the last thing I want to do right now. Now, hopefully we can get these open without having to get up and get something, because that's going to be no fun. I don't want to do that. Lisa, help me. Man, I should have brought over something. Oh well. Okay. Cassandra, come on, honey. Figure this out. Can't even open a simple damn box. Sorry, guys. Alright. Oh, we're getting it. We have made way. Here we go. Oh, I love that. Fresh. Alright, guys. Fresh and open. Unboxing. I just love that sound, okay? What am I, ASMR? No. Okay. Oh, they smell fresh. Brand new. These are so cute. It really wasn't that difficult. It was just like this little doodad I was having a hard time with. Ridiculous. Oh, Misa, are you looking at the... She's looking at the reflection. Misa. Okay. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. They're so shiny. I'm such a girl. First of all, here we go. There's this really cute... Sorry, guys. This really cute bag. It's just like this little bag that you carry it in, okay? And let's see. That'd be so cool. Money inside. No, I'm joking. But that actually is really cute. It's for your makeup brushes to hold, but Moda. It's really cute. And honestly, like, if you have, like, to go up to the store and just need, like, your wallet and your phone, and, I mean, your money and your phone, and, like, or your card. So cute. Like, I always love these things. They're just adorable. Obviously, it's meant to carry your brushes, but... Oh my god, look at it. It's beautiful. Misa's like, let me see. Misa, you can come in the camera and look. Oh my god, the little unicorn. It's so cute. I'm so excited. I want to try them. You know, maybe I'll do a makeup video. God, I look washed out. Anyway, maybe I'll do a makeup video. This is the blush. A makeup video with these. How many times did I have to say that to complete that sentence? I would like to do a makeup video next with these. Easy peasy. Jesus, Cassandra. I'm going to stick them in here. Because I don't want to stick them in there. See if they fit. Oh, so cute. And this one is the Domed Shadow. Wow, okay. Very cute. Very, very cute. And they're like, they're not heavy, but they're not too light. You know what I mean? Like, they feel nice. They don't feel like super cheap or anything like that. And these, I want to say, were like between $12 and $15. I cannot remember. The angled eyeliner. Ooh, they're just so cute. And like, I just really like that they are colorful and fun. This one's crease. Oh my god, I just keep showing you like it's so colorful and stuff. I love it. I'm sorry I keep looking over there. For some reason I'm like thinking the camera's right there. This lighting is horrible. Sorry guys. Try my best here. It's a video, who cares? It's just fun. If I want to make it nice, I'll make it nice. This was a fast video, guys. I've been waiting a long time to show you these. So these are the brushes. They fit inside this cute little Moda bag that's also like a kind of holographic or, yeah, like hollow. Hollow card. And then all the brushes fit like fantastically in this little bag. And we got little, like one for everything. Oh, we got a strand here. Oh no! Oh no, do you see that hair? You can't see it because like, there it is. Ha! Oh my gosh. That's not good. Once I wash them, I'll have to trim that off or something. But they are so freaking cute, guys. Like the tips look bluish purple, then it's like pink and orange. Super cute. Like I told you, I got this at Walmart. They were like between $12 and $15 or something like that. And they are adorable for like a gift, for like just for fun for yourself or anything like that. And honestly, that's the first thing I thought of when I saw these. I thought to myself, like, when my daughter gets a little older and she's going to want some makeup stuff, like, this is perfect for her. She would absolutely love it. Nisa, do you want to play with this? She's so funny. She loves to rub up on plastic. So I give her them before I get rid of it. I'll recycle it. Okay. Second thing, and this is just going to be really quick because this is kind of like a long video now. Sorry, guys. And I'm not into editing right now. If you guys have any good editing apps that you guys really like, you know, like shoot it this way because I genuinely can't find one I like. And the air's on. So that little, you're going to hear. Second thing, these masks. Super cute. They are glitter. Spascription Bedazzled. Another thing that would be really cute for like a little girl or something. But I wanted to try it because, you know, I'm a little girl. I'm going to open these up and we are going to try one of these on. Or all three. I can just do it on each part of my face. That seems fun. That's what we'll do. Hi, Miss. Hi, my Misa. Are you seeing all the little shinies? Yeah. Does that make you happy? Well, Misa Mane. Oh, I don't want to use my teeth. But I also don't want to break my nails. And we have liftoff. Here we are. Come on, guys. Oh, they weren't coming out unless I did. So weird. No, I've been watching too much Nikocado Avocado. He does that with the spicy noodles all the time, and it cracks me up. I do it with everything. He's the best. I love watching him. He literally makes me enjoy things more. Here you go, babe. I know. Enjoy it before I get rid of it. So it comes in with this cute little like Spascription brush thing, you know, like one of those little silicone things to put your mask on with. And I'm going to tell you right now, I don't find those always. Like, no, this was cute. This was a cute little unique package. Then we have this one, Pore Refining. God, you can't even see it. Hello? Nope, it won't. Sorry, guys. Okay, so this one's Pore Refining. This one is Powerful Face Treatment designed to improve the health and appearance of your skin. Aloe helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It is anti-aging. Cool. Let's try this one. Let's try... Oh, this one smells so good. You know what it smells like to me? Okay, watch, guys. Ready? Ooh. I told you. I absolutely love it. It's just too good. Make sure you get all that mask off, because who wants to waste those beautiful little... Oh my gosh, they're stars. How cute. No, Missy, you can't. No, that's different. You can't. No, you can't be around that. Okay, so there are little stars inside the glitter. Let's try this. I'm going to try a little bit. Ready, guys? Here, I'll do it again. I like it. And they're pulley, like peel masks. So try to layer it enough to where you can peel it off. Unless, you want to just wash it off. 'Cause some people don't like that pulling motion, on their skin. Even though, isn't that the point? I don't know. Okay, so this one smells delicious. It kind of smells like, I'm just wiping off the excess on my face. Cassandra. Okay, so it kind of smells like you, if you've ever tried, ooh, shit. Ready? And this comes out kind of blue, but it looks really purple to me, like in life, and in real life, it's purple. Like, it's not this weird blue. It's very purple. That's funny. I always thought people were bullshitting when they said that. Sorry, excuse my language. Now, I was saying something else, and I forgot. So I'm sorry. I don't remember. We're going to go ahead and layer this one right here. Ooh, wow. You guys, this smells really good. Oh, I remember now. If you've ever used Toni and Guy, their pomade, the blue one, that smell, that's what they smell like. It's like exactly what they smell like. To me. To me. I'm sorry about this lighting. Sucks. Sucks. Okay, now we got purple, pink. Grab this real quick. Clean that off, because when I'm doing these, I'm using the same brush. And let's clip this. Sorry, guys. I probably should have done this before, right? Because now I'm getting all this stuff in my hair. This video turned out to be a lot funner than I thought it was going to be. Making a mess here. Okay. Now, this last one is silver. I see a hair. There we go. Okay, this last one is like silver, just like glittery. And they all have stars and glitter in them. All of them. Careful, because there's like glue on the sides. I don't understand that. Except for that maybe this one might have leaked. That's what I think. I think this one might have leaked while it was like in packaging, you know what I mean? Fudge. Okay. We're making this work. Oh, my Mars. Uh-oh. Hold on, guys. Yeah. Okay, so, last one. Because we're on 15 minutes here, and I'm sure you've enjoyed this video. Now, just shows you a little bit more of my face since, I haven't been on here very often. Let's... It's beautiful. You guys, this is seriously beautiful. Seriously. It's got the purple undertone, but because of the other one. But cool. It's just basic glitter. this is fun. I'm not going to lie. Like, okay, perfect. For your daughters and for whatever. If you guys are having like slumber parties or stuff, these are fun things to play with. They smell good. They don't hurt my face. I have really sensitive skin, guys. Super sensitive. I put on one of those like regular masks from, let's say, like Target or Kroger or anything like that, and my face will break out. Big ol' red rash, literally within the second of putting it on. So, be very careful when you're using new products. This one, thankfully, did not hurt my face. Here, I'm going to put them right here so I can keep track. Because gosh dang, they're cute. Nice! So, here's these little masks. I wonder if this one's dry yet. Nope, not yet. And so, this is what they look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys like this video. Share it with your friends. Comment, subscribe, turn on those notifying. What the is it called? The bell? The notification sign? I'm not quite sure. Brain fart on that. Anyway, turn on the little bell. I will be making videos a lot more. I have some more time on my hands. Trying to think what else. Make sure that you hit up my social media. I'm usually on Twitter and Instagram for the most part. Usually Instagram is my main social media. And yeah, that's basically it. Nisa, sweetheart, leave it alone. She wants that. She likes the way the mask stuff smells, so be careful. I'm not quite sure if they should even be smelling it, so just keep it away from your animals. She likes the plastic, so it's tricking her. Yeah, this is basically the video. Thank you for hanging out with me. I would love to show you how it works, but it's just not dry enough yet. Maybe I will show it on Instagram, so you'll have to check it out there. Check out my Instagram. I will see you next time, guys, and until then, have a great week. Have a great weekend. Have a great morning, night, afternoon, whatever it is when you're watching this. See you guys next time. Bye.